I'm Cody VanDorn, here at the new Justin and LOHR Center for Wine and Viticulture, and Dean Thulin, the College of Agriculture, Food, and Environmental Sciences. Andy, tell me a little bit about this new facility.
It's a state-of-the-art facility that's bonded for 5,000 cases of wine made each year by our students. And I'm just super proud we had the opportunity to have a great partner like the Cal Poly Corporation working with us and allowed us to get this facility completed.
Tell me a little bit about another partnership that we have in Swanton Pacific Ranch and what the vision for reimagining that facility looks like in the coming years.
Cody, it's interesting because we're in the process of re-envisioning that ranch. I mean, it all burned. So we have a new canvas to paint. We had almost 1,000 people provide input into what their thoughts are for the ranch moving forward. That process will take us about 2 or 3 more months. We'll have it completed, and then that'll actually describe what we do in terms of what we rebuild, where it's rebuilt, and how it's rebuilt. So Cody, we know you've got a lot of other projects that you're evaluating and partnering on. Can you tell us about a few of those?
You know, some of them are just really simple projects such as Scout Coffee. Some of them are more complex, such as a $30 million renovation of the old avenue. But I think there's 2 really exciting projects that, you know, we're putting forward that are going to really push some of the academic mission for both faculty and students. The first one's the new technology park here on campus. It's a 30,000-foot expansion of the existing tech park. Another project that we're really excited about is faculty and staff housing. It'll provide 150 or as much as 250 units for faculty and staff to rent. And I think long-term it'll mean a significant impact to the university and provide a much-needed housing option here on campus. Well, Andy, thanks for your time today. It's been great to talk to you. Great to be in this new facility. Thank you for joining us. This is the second in a series of conversations that we're having about the corporation and its impact here at Cal Poly.